Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to delete your gigs on Fiverr. Maybe you want to delete your gigs on Fiverr but you don't know how. So today, I am going to show you on how you can delete your gigs on Fiverr. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you'll be seeing this home button, email icon, list icon, and then your profile icon. On this tutorial, tap on this profile icon. And on this one, to delete your gig, tap on this manage gigs under your my profile. And then here, simply long press the gigs that you want to delete. And as you can see, at the upper right corner of your screen, you have the option to delete. Simply tap on this delete button. And then there will be a prompt that are you sure you want to delete this gig? For this example, I won't be deleting this gig. This is just on how you can delete your gigs. If you are sure with it, simply tap on the delete button. If you are not, just simply tap on this cancel button. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete your gigs on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete your gigs on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.